Yacht Yachter here with Nizam45, teaching you how to make a HTML file in Macintosh.
Hello.
You use text edit, quite simply. I have it filed under iWork here with a bunch of different applications. Just great.
Yeah, I use Windows 7, so I have no idea what he's doing. So just listen to him. He knows everything about this. So
Well, not everything. If I knew everything, then, well,
you know more than I do.
well, about Macintoshes, granted, yes, but
Okay.
not everything.
Right.
Anyway, simply go into text edit, new document, and you'll get this little screen that pops up.
Now what is that?
This is a RTF screen.
Okay.
Rich text file, you know,
Uh-huh.
.rtf, etc. Has different fonts, different colors for the text, formatting capabilities.
Can you put pictures in it?
You can, but you don't want that.
Okay.
You just want to go to Format, Make Plain Text. Because when you have it this way, there's no formatting options. It's just text and nothing else.
Like Notepad.
Precisely.
Okay.
And then you just want to go into, well, first you want to make sure your preferences are correct. Preferences, also Command, comma. Always love the keyboard shortcuts, at least I do.
Okay.
And it says display HTML files as HTML code instead of formatted text.
What exactly does that mean?
Well, rather than putting it in with all your commands, you know, you'll have your HTML /HTML, meaning that it's over. And you'll have things, for example, the command kind of font. And then you'll make it color equals, let's say, olive. Now, all of your font is going to be an off-green color.
Okay.
If you don't have this box checked right here,
Uh-huh.
then you're not going to be able to use it. This right here, it's not going to be able to be saved as an HTML file. It's going to just open it up as a rich text file with all the text you typed in as olive.
Well, wouldn't you just be able to like go to the file or something and change the extension?
You'd think so, but it doesn't work that way. If you change it to an HTML, then it glitches out and it corrupts the file, and you just got to do it the first time. Otherwise, it's not going to work.
Check a little box. Got it.
Check a little box right there.
Got it.
Make sure it's checked. Okay, and then you're going to want to...
I don't think he meant to do that.
No, that's just a nifty way to save it. A shortcut, you know.
Huh.
Anyway, yeah, just clicking, dragging, voila!
Oh, he did it again.
Mm-hmm. Two of them. All right, so you want to go into File, Save, also known as Command S. Again, keyboard commands. I love it. And I'm not going to save it as anything. I'm going to delete it right afterwards because it's just garbage at this point. And I'll save it as testing.
That's tested.
Testing. There we go. Testing 1, 2, 3. .html. Now see this little box is checked here? If no extension is provided, use .txt.
Does that matter if that's checked or not?
It doesn't, because you're providing an extension. It's .html.
Okay.
So you're going to click Save. Little box is going to pop up. You're not going to want to use txt. Txt is just to read it. Use HTML, and you'll be able to open it in the web browser.
So if you do save it as txt, you can, and if you try to change the extension, it'll make it glitch out again?
It will make it glitch out again.
Okay.
So what you can do, now that I've got this done, what you can do is, let's File, Save this thing to the desktop. I probably should have done. File, move to...
Is it like send to?
Where, yeah, pretty much like send to.
Okay.
File, move to desktop, for demonstration purposes only.
Okay.
Move. Alright, so...
He did a third one.
Yes, these two are just shortcuts. Let me just click, Command delete. They're gone.
You and
They're
your
in the trash can.
controls.
I love these controls. They're amazing. Command Shift delete. Trash is empty. Anyway, just open this up, and it'll open with your web browser. I have Safari. I'm partial to the Apple programs.
So this is still just like on your computer. It's not actually an HTML web address or anything.
Oh yeah, it's just an HTML file on your computer. You're gonna need to get a web hosting service if you want it on the internet.
Ah,
so
I see.
Now see how it opened in the web browser? You can't modify it from the web browser.
Right.
So in that case, you use secondary click, right click, what have you, open with text edit. And because you did that, it'll now render it this way. And you can change in here, and it'll translate that over here.
It'll live update?
It won't live update, you'll have to refresh.
Ah.
But once you type in all your commands, you save it, you refresh the page, and it'll change it to whatever there is there.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. If you didn't do that, it'll just open this as a rich text file, and it will look like it should look in the web browser, but it won't be in the web browser. It'll just be for the typing.
So just like the code will show up.
Yeah. No, the formatted text will show up. The code won't show up.
Oh,
You want
okay.
the code to show up. Because you want the formatted text to show up in here.
Okay.
All right. That's Yacht Yachter and Nizam signing
Thank you
off.
for explaining that, Yatter. I think we all appreciated that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
See y'all later.